Okay, hello again. So right now we are looking at the Library Resources module, another important module as they all are. This information here has lots of little video clips. There is a longer one of Medline, CINAHL, PubMed, and Google Scholar, and it's 34 minutes and 17 seconds, but it's well worth the watch because when you get going with your literature search or other classes that you're trying to find information in, your literature search is an evidence-based practice course, one of your first ones. These really help you be efficient in your searches as well. Jason has a couple of other pieces of information for you. Ethics is very important as well. And then there's 2 short quizzes at the end, so you can take those to progress onward. What's really important here as well, and I keep using that word, is the access to Jason, who is our health science librarian. Jason is very accessible. Here's his information. This is something I would keep track of, Jason Francis, and that information. And like I said, he's very responsive.